Hey, this is Patrick Devine in Object-Oriented Programming Week 3. So this week our lab was to come up with some menu screens for our Enigma project. So right here is a little template which is the 25 characters long and I think it's 88 characters wide. And we have some borders here to show it, to give us an idea of where things are. So basically it's just a bunch of print statements. Stretched out is wide and as long as the program will allow, and then literally through moving around the text you adjust things to where you want them to be, I'm sure there's an easier way, maybe not, but that's how I've been doing it. The only menu screen that I have on this computer that I'm recording on right now is what I figured would be the first screen that you saw. Huh, it's not working the way I would like it to. But anyway, put the name in the upper left hand corner and object-oriented programming. You got your borders, and welcome to our Enigma machine. Press any key to continue. I'm also, the actual code in the Python IDE that I was using is on my desktop, which I'm not recording on right now as well, but my allergies are kicking my butt and I wanted to get this video up before class, so that's it.